Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change your email address on Universal Credit. Now, Universal Credit, first of all, what is Universal Credit? Universal Credit is a benefit payment in the UK designed to help people with low incomes or those out of work. It replaces 6 previous benefits, including job seekers allowance, housing benefits, and income support. It is paid monthly in arrears and covers housing costs, living expenses, and childcare costs. Now, how do you change your email address on Universal Credit? The first method is the online method, which is the preferred method. What you do is log into your Universal Credit account. You can usually do this through the gov.uk website. Then you find the Your Details section. Look for this option to update your contact information. Then you follow the on-screen instruction. Enter your new email address and confirm the changes. Now, the other method is by phone. It's not advisable, but if there's no choice, you can go with this. 1. You contact the Universal Credit helpline. You can find the helpline number on the gov.uk website. 2. Explain your situation. Inform the helpline representative that you need to change your email address. Then the third thing you can do is provide necessary information. You may be asked to verify your identity. Very necessary. Now, let's note verification. You may need to verify your new email address by clicking on a link in a confirmation email. Ensure you update your email address promptly to receive important information about your claim, appointment, and any changes to your payment. Also, always protect your personal information, including your email address. Note that this information is for general guidance only and may not be entirely up to date. Always refer to the official gov.uk website or contact the Universal Credit helpline for the most accurate and up-to-date information. So that's it. That is how to change your email address on Universal Credit. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this which we put up every day. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.